Making connections. Mastering subject pronouns in relative clauses. Hello everyone. Today we're going to dive into an essential aspect of English grammar: subject pronouns in relative clauses. Specifically, we'll be looking at how we can use these subject pronouns to connect sentences and make our English more fluent and natural. Let's get started. Before we delve into subject pronouns, let's quickly review what relative clauses are. A relative clause is a type of clause that describes a noun. It starts with a relative pronoun like who, which, that, and whose. Here's an example. In the sentence, "The book that I'm reading is interesting," that I'm reading is the relative clause describing the noun, book. Now, let's move on to subject pronouns. Subject pronouns are words like I, you, he, she, it, we, and they. They take the place of the subject in a sentence. For instance, instead of saying, "Jennifer is going home," we can say, "She is going home." Here's where the magic happens. When we combine relative clauses with subject pronouns, we can connect sentences to form more complex and nuanced statements. This gives our English a more advanced feel. For example, we have two simple sentences. 1. This is the man. 2. He helped me. By using a subject pronoun in a relative clause, we can connect these two sentences. This is the man who helped me. Here, who is a subject pronoun referring to the man. Let's practice what we've learned with some exercises. I'll give you two simple sentences, and your task is to connect them using a subject pronoun in a relative clause. 1. That's the restaurant. It has amazing pizza. 2. She is the woman. She found my lost phone. The answers would be 1. That's the restaurant that has amazing pizza. 2. She is the woman who found my lost phone. Remember, the more you practice, the better you'll get at this. That's all for today's lesson on using subject pronouns in relative clauses to connect sentences. We hope you found this helpful in improving your English grammar skills. Keep practicing, and you'll master these in no time. Thanks for watching, and see you in our next lesson.